1. What's the Google Calendar? Google Calendar is a powerful, free service you can use to organize your schedule and coordinate events with others. You can share your calendar or invite meeting in school or company. And this video you will know with. Open Google Calendar. Add schedule 1 hours. Add schedule 2 hours. Edit recurrence. Change schedule color. Share calendar with specific people. Delete calendar. How to invite meeting. 2. Open Google Calendar. Open Google Chrome. Click on Apps. And click Open Calendar app. 3. Add schedule 1 hour. Before I add schedule, I just want you know that. Why do I need to add schedule? Because I want to note my time teaching every day. Anyway, if someone want invite me to meeting, they will check my schedule before contact to me, so this is an advantage of Google Calendar. Okay, if we add the schedule. First, double click on time that we want to add. Write your title noted. This is time 8 to 9 a.m. Next, click Save. Now, the schedule is set in calendar. 4. Add schedule 2 hours. If you want to add 2 hours schedule, you need to select start and the end time. And click on More option to edit schedule. Next, add the title. And click Save. OK, schedule set on calendar. 5. Edit recurrence. This is important. What do you want to edit time? In the example, if you click to next week, certainly, you don't see my schedule. Because that show only 1 week. If you want to edit, you just left click on any schedule. And click Edit button. And click on Does Not Repeat button. After click Custom. Click on and click the schedule. Next, set the end of your schedule. In this example, the schedule from May until October. After click Done. Next, if you want to share your schedule, click in this box. And add email someone to share. If you finish, click Save. And click on Send. Check the result. We see that the schedule start from May until October. Okay, with step is done. 6. Change schedule color. If you want to change schedule color, first, right-click on Schedule. And choose Color. There are 3 options. This event is only the schedule change. And this and following events is start from this present time to future change. So, I click option 2 and click OK. OK, the schedule is change ready. 7. Access permissions for events. If you want to another people search your schedule and show their calendar. Okay, this is an example. We click on this box and enter someone email to show calendar. So, this is result that we see another calendar. Okay, we back and search again. We see that doesn't show the calendar. What's happened? Because this email are not sharing. So, we need to turn on in the setting. First, open Google Calendar. Next, click on Setting. Scroll down and click on your name. Next, click on Access Permission for Events. Check Turn on Permission. After click Back button. Okay, we back and search again. Enter the email in box search. Okay, the outcome is showing. This step finish. 8. How to invite someone meeting on calendar. First, we need to check another calendar. Next, select Add Time to Invite Meeting. And click on More option. Enter the title. After, you write to add the description to express the location. You need to add someone email that you want to invite. Finish, click on Save. And click on Send. Okay, go to check other calendar you invited. This is the result your invite show on People calendar. If you agree, left click. And click on Yes button. Now, with this step is finish. 9. Delete schedule. You just left click on any calendar. And click on Delete button. Okay, schedule had deleted from your calendar. With the 9 steps is done. This is sharing that help you using the Google Calendar with your work. Goodbye.